All right, welcome back, traders. In today's daily trade recap for March 4th, 2026, I break down what went right, what went wrong, and how I have a lot to work on. So you'll see initially at market open, we pump about 100 points. We reject quite strongly. We break and base below that SMA or Bravo 9. We are purple on the TTM, and when that happens, we typically get expansion to the downside, expansion into red bars. We did not get that. I was not happy with the price action. We were right at the New York Daily Open, and that was in line with this SMA 50. We also had some rejection of the VIX and VIXY at that time, and when that happens, the Qs tend to pump. I didn't like the price action. I exited first trade. I took 11 points or $220 to the plus side. Trade idea number 2. I was calling this short in this area. We were starting to level off. I was just early, was not confident in it. I tried catching it, I missed it, and again, theme of yesterday, battled the ego, took a bad retracement into the Bravo, and why is that bad? If you look in our previous time frame throughout the morning, we were basing and breaking off of that SMA 9, and that's essentially what we did here. This was not a signal to go short. I broke my rule and removed the stop that I had in this area because we were rounding off and I was sure we were getting the move to the downside. We did not. We instead broke higher. And it's at this point where risk to reward, this account was almost blown. I felt okay with adding another short position at the previous highs of the morning. I did. It went for me. And I exited down $400 on that trade, only down $200 on the morning. It did break down more, but I was afraid of this move back to the upside. I've been in this position before where it's going against me. Horrible position, horrible execution. I was lucky to dig out of this hole right here. Let's get out of this trade. Trade idea 3. Again, we're basing and breaking below that SMA or that Bravo 9. We're purple on the TTM. However, we were rejecting again on the VIX and VIXY. We had some buying on Nvidia and Tesla. I didn't like the price action. I got out of this trade plus 10, 11 points. Break even on the day. Trade ideas 4 and 5. Great positioning. They just did not work out. I took right above previous highs of the day, looking for that break to the downside. We had purple on that TTM squeeze. I was looking again for that move to the downside, that expansion into red bars on this TTM. We did not get that. I did not like the price action and rather turn to winning trades into losers. I trailed my stops on both trades and took 10 points respectively on each of them for a total of 33 points or $460 on the day. I did not touch the funded account because I didn't feel locked in. And although I ended net positive on the day, I traded and performed poorly. I did manage risk relatively well. We all make mistakes. With that being said, and it's just paper, it's not real, it's evaluation funds. I have not traded or performed well all week through 3 days, and I'm currently up through 4 eval accounts, a little over $2,500 throughout the week. This next step and the real test is turning this consistent performance over to the funded accounts and staying funded. With that, traders, today's your daily breakdown for Wednesday, March 4th, 2026. Thank you for tuning in.